All right. And finally, I made it to ISOBO, right?
ISOBO, yeah.
ISOBO in Cross River State.
Obubra local government
Obubra,
Cross River State.
Obubra, Cross River State. You can see here.
Look at
this is ISOBO. All right. It's been a very long walk.
An exhausting journey.
And financial intensive, capital intensive. So, but then, Ojembe Nwiro, Chukwemeka, Namen TV. We set up this journey since 2022.
Yeah.
And this is the, I would say, the last Igbo, the last state that has the Igbo people. I keep telling you all that there are Igbo people in 13 states of Nigeria. Namely, Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, which we are today, Edo, Kogi, Benue, Delta, now the 5 East states, which is Imo, Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi, and Abia. So we are here today in ISOBO, and keep on following us. Just what you can do for us at this junction is to help me share this particular video. Share it to all your friends so that they will know. We are giving facts. We are bringing empirical facts, not hearsay. We bring you the facts from the land, from the place that we mentioned that there are Igbo people there that you don't know. Do you know about the ISOBO people? Do you also know about the ITUTU, right?
Yes.
ITUTU people.
Yeah. And Ebora people.
And Ebora people. Yeah. You know, ISOBO, ITUTU, Ebora, all in Cross River State. And they are Igbo people.
Few others.
They are Igbo people. There are a few others too. So, but then, our major concern, our major focus is the ISOBO people. So, we are going there now. The time is already some minutes to 7. This is a journey that we set up since 7 a.m. in the morning. And, check out the time. But then, just follow us. Follow me.
The journey continues.
The journey continues. Thank you. And God bless.